Welcome, cosmic explorers. Imagine a black hole colliding with a neutron star, a stellar event of such magnitude that it sends ripples through space-time itself. Scientists detected these ripples, or gravitational waves, using the Laser Interferometer Gravitational Wave Observatory, fondly known as LIGO. Now picture this, two separate collisions occurred in January 2020, both about 1 billion light-years away from our little blue planet. The black holes involved were 9 and 6 solar masses, while the neutron stars were 1.9 and 1.5 solar masses. Quite the cosmic feast for those hungry black holes. The speed at which these events occur is mind-boggling. The neutron stars are gobbled up in a blink of an eye, faster than a speeding bullet, faster than the speed of light itself. This discovery opens up a universe of possibilities for understanding the dynamics and evolution of these celestial titans. So if you're intrigued by the mysteries of the cosmos, hit that subscribe button. Together we'll continue exploring the infinite wonders of the universe. Until next time, keep looking up.